2018 Nissan Pathfinder. Top features on the 2018 Nissan Pathfinder. For big families, the importance of a roomy cabin cannot be overstated, and that is exactly why we love the 2018 Pathfinder near me. The full-size, 3-row crossover is designed to keep up to 7 passengers content and comfortable, and can accommodate plenty of cargo with its 16 cubic feet of space. Standard features like a sliding and reclining second row also make it quite easy to load and unload passengers. This year, the Pathfinder can be had in 4 different trims: S, SV, SL and Platinum. The entry-level Pathfinder S is outfitted with everything from keyless ignition, entry, tri-zone automatic climate control, Bluetooth and a rear-view camera to a 6-speaker sound system, HD and satellite radio, dual USB media inputs and an 8-inch touchscreen. New for 2018, the crossover also receives LED headlights and 2 rear USB charging ports as standard equipment. 2018 Nissan Pathfinder horsepower and towing capacity. Introduced last model year, the Pathfinder's 3.5-liter V6 engine is a proven performer with power to spare. Paired to a continuously variable automatic transmission, this configuration produces a healthy 284 horsepower and 259 pound-feet of torque. Both front-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive are available. If you do need a crossover with the little tow muscle, the Pathfinder has one of the highest tow capacities in its class. When properly equipped, it can haul up to 6,000 pounds, besting competitors like the Ford Explorer, Honda Pilot, and Toyota Highlander. Standard and available safety features on the 2018 Nissan Pathfinder. As part of Nissan's commitment to passenger safety, the Pathfinder now comes standard with automatic emergency braking. This advanced feature can mitigate the impact of a collision and, in some instances, avoid one altogether. Paired with other standard equipment like anti-lock brakes, stability and traction control, and side impact airbags, this advancement helped the crossover land a 5-star overall safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Other driver assistance features available include adaptive cruise control, blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert and a new rear seat reminder system. After you finish our 2018 Pathfinder review, visit us to learn more about the crossover's safety features.